In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move object to origin 0, 0, 0. In AutoCAD, by the end, you'll know exactly how to place any selected geometry at the world origin, which is especially useful for cleaning up files, aligning references, or preparing content for export. Start by launching the Move command. The quickest way is to type Move or simply M and press Enter. This brings up the standard Move workflow. Next, select the objects you want to reposition. You can click them one by one. Use a selection window or press Ctrl-A if you truly want everything that's currently selectable. Then press Enter to confirm your selection. A quick tip here. If you are aiming to move the entire drawing, make sure all relevant layers are thawed and unlocked first. Locked or frozen layers won't be included in your selection, which can leave behind stray geometry and cause alignment issues later. Ensuring layers are open for editing makes it easy to grab everything in one go. AutoCAD now prompts you for a base point. Click a logical reference point on the selected objects. Any point will work as long as it's part of the selection. This base point is the spot that will be relocated to the origin. For the destination, you want to force AutoCAD to use an absolute coordinate, regardless of your current user coordinate system. To do that, begin the coordinate with the hash symbol. Typing the hash tells AutoCAD you are specifying a point in the world coordinate system. So, at the command line, enter hash 0, 0, 0, and press Enter. That's the exact origin in 3D space, x0, y0, z0. The moment you confirm, the selected geometry moves so that the base point you chose lands precisely on the origin. This works the same whether you are in a plan view or working in 3D. And it eliminates any ambiguity caused by a rotated or custom UCS. Using the hash is the key to consistency because it overrides local coordinate changes and always references the global 0, 0, 0. If something didn't move as expected, double-check that the objects weren't on locked or frozen layers during selection. And verify that you actually typed the hash before the coordinates. Without the hash, AutoCAD may interpret the input relative to your current UCS, which can place things in the wrong spot. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.